NASA pulls moon rocket back to hangar for repairs. NASA has begun rolling the Artemis 2 rocket from Launch Pad 39B back to the Vehicle Assembly Building, a slow, multi-hour journey across 4 miles at little more than walking speed. The rollback rules out a March launch and shifts the mission to April's next available window. While it may appear to be a setback, this is NASA's safety process working as intended for human spaceflight. Engineers flagged an irregularity in the rocket's upper stage helium pressurization system during final preparations. No failure or emergency occurred. NASA simply encountered data it could not fully explain. With astronauts involved, uncertainty alone is enough to pause. During the wet dress rehearsal, the full fueling and countdown simulation to just seconds before ignition, engineers validated procedures and analyzed system behavior. The rocket successfully loaded cryogenic propellants and completed the terminal countdown. However, sensors detected subtle helium behavior that differed slightly from prediction models. Helium regulates tank pressure, pushes propellant toward engines at controlled rates, clears feed lines before ignition, and stabilizes engine start conditions. Rocket engines operate within a narrow envelope. Even minor pressure or flow variations can affect ignition consistency. For cargo missions, small deviations may be acceptable. For a human-rated vehicle, they are not. Rather than troubleshoot at the pad, where access and inspections are limited, NASA opted to return the rocket indoors. The VAB offers full-height platforms, controlled conditions, and comprehensive access. Engineers can inspect valves, regulators, and sensors directly, verify the propulsion system holistically, and ensure strict crew safety margins. By choosing verification over schedule, NASA is ensuring Artemis 2 launches under the safest possible conditions.